The science of social capital, research-backed ways to build influence. Social capital. It's a term thrown around in business, politics, and even personal development. But what does it really mean? And more importantly, how can you build it effectively? This isn't about superficial networking or collecting business cards. We're diving deep into the science of social capital. We'll explore research backed strategies to cultivate genuine influence and build lasting relationships. Social capital is the network of relationships you have and the value you derive from them. It's the resources, support, and opportunities that flow through your connections. Think of it as your relational wealth. It's not just about who you know, but who knows you and what they think of you. Trust, reciprocity, and shared values are the cornerstones of strong social capital. These elements are far more valuable than a stack of contacts. The advantages of a robust social network are numerous and well documented. Studies show that individuals with high social capital experience greater career success. They also report higher levels of job satisfaction. Beyond professional gains, strong social connections contribute to overall well-being. People with strong social networks tend to be healthier and live longer. They also experience lower rates of depression and anxiety. Social capital isn't built overnight. It requires a strategic and consistent approach. We can break it down into three key pillars: building trust, fostering reciprocity, and cultivating shared values. Each pillar is essential for creating a network that provides genuine support and opportunities. Neglecting any one of these can weaken your social capital. Let's explore each in detail. Trust is the bedrock of any meaningful relationship. Without it, your social capital will crumble. People are more likely to help and support those they trust. How do you build trust? Start by being reliable and consistent. Follow through on your commitments and be transparent in your actions. Honesty is paramount. Even when it's difficult, be truthful in your interactions. People appreciate candor and are more likely to trust someone who is upfront. Social capital is a two-way street. It's not just about what you can get from your network, but what you can contribute. Reciprocity is the principle of giving back to those who have helped you. Look for opportunities to support your connections, offer your expertise, make introductions, or simply lend a listening ear. Small acts of kindness can go a long way. Reciprocity isn't about keeping score. It's about creating a culture of mutual support. When you give freely, you create a positive cycle of giving and receiving. Shared values create a sense of belonging and connection. When you align with others on fundamental principles, trust and reciprocity naturally follow. Seek out individuals who share your values. Engage in activities that reflect your values. Volunteer for causes you believe in, join professional organizations, or participate in community events. These are great ways to meet like-minded people. Authenticity is key. Don't try to be someone you're not. Be true to your values and attract people who resonate with them. Now that we've covered the three pillars, let's look at some practical strategies. These are actionable steps you can take to start building your social capital today. Focus on quality over quantity. Prioritize building deep relationships with a smaller group of people. Nurture those connections over time. Attend industry events and conferences. Actively participate in discussions and connect with speakers and attendees. Use social media strategically. Engage with others in your field and share valuable content. Effective communication is crucial for building strong relationships. Active listening is a skill that can significantly enhance your social capital. It demonstrates that you value the other person's perspective. Pay attention to both verbal and nonverbal cues. Ask clarifying questions and summarize what you've heard to ensure understanding. Show empathy and validate their feelings. People are drawn to those who make them feel heard and understood. Active listening is a powerful tool for building trust and rapport. Building social capital is an ongoing process. It requires consistent effort to maintain and nurture your network. Stay in touch with your connections regularly. Send personalized emails, schedule phone calls, or meet for coffee. Celebrate their successes and offer support during challenging times. Remember important dates and milestones. A simple birthday message or a congratulatory note can make a big difference. Show genuine interest in their lives and careers. There are several common pitfalls to avoid when building social capital. Don't be transactional. Focus on building genuine relationships, not just extracting value. Avoid being self-promotional. Focus on providing value to others, not just promoting yourself. Don't neglect your existing relationships. Prioritize nurturing the connections you already have. Be mindful of your online presence. Maintain a professional and respectful demeanor on social media. While it's difficult to quantify social capital precisely, there are ways to assess its strength. Consider the diversity of your network. Do you have connections in different industries, backgrounds, and perspectives? Evaluate the level of trust and reciprocity in your relationships. Do you feel comfortable asking for help? Do you regularly offer support to others? Assess the resources and opportunities that flow through your network. Are you receiving valuable information, introductions, and support? Social capital is a valuable asset that can significantly impact your personal and professional life. By focusing on building trust, fostering reciprocity, and cultivating shared values, you can create a network that provides genuine support and opportunities. Remember, building social capital is a long-term investment. It requires consistent effort and a genuine desire to connect with others. Start today and watch your relational wealth grow.